everybody, today's project is we're going to be smelting some aluminum cans with a homemade propane smelter. In another video, we showed you how to smelt aluminum using charcoal. The charcoal fire wasn't very reliable and didn't last for a while, so we decided to move to propane. We have a kiln thermometer to tell us the temperature, and when the temperature reaches about 1600 degrees, we begin adding the cans. Aluminum melts at 1221 degrees, but we wanted the smelter to be much hotter. The smelter is made of fire bricks stacked together and held in place by the frame of an old mini refrigerator. We were using a steel ice bucket for our crucible. You can see the sides of the crucible gets red hot. We also have a ceramic blanket wrapped around the crucible, which helps to keep in the heat. After a couple hours of feeding in cans, it was time to pour. We already removed most of the slag, so we were left with pretty high-grade aluminum. We poured the aluminum into a metal muffin tin. Once the aluminum has hardened enough so it doesn't move when you tap it, it is time to remove it from the muffin tin. If you wait too long, the aluminum will stick to the muffin tin and you can't get it out without destroying the muffin tin. We add some water to help the aluminum cool faster. We usually let it sit there for about 30 minutes to cool down. Alright, so we're done smelting, and we smelted for around 2 hours. It was really efficient. We smelted around 4 bags of cans, and we got around 2.5 pounds of aluminum, which is a lot more than we usually get. And this was only a test smelter. In an upcoming video, we'll show you the finished smelter. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.